How to shorten a ClickBank affiliate link. So first off, I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace and select a product which I want to promote. So for example, let's take Pro Dentum right here. I'm gonna write my nickname account and I can create a hop link. As you can see, this hop link is really long. If somebody's typing it out, chances are they won't take the time to do so. And you wanna make it easy for people to go to the product which you are promoting. So what I suggest doing is using an URL shortener. So for this example, I'm going to use bit.ly. And the thing you want to do is register on bit.ly. I'm going to explain why in a second. So how you can register is you click on sign up free, then you select the first plan, which is free as it says, and then we can use Google to sign in like that really quickly, and it is as simple as that. All right, so why I suggest having a bit.ly account. Now bit.ly, with it you can customize the back half of your link, so it's not just random letters as we can see right here, 3LV, so on and so forth. You can write whatever you want on the back half of your bit.ly shortened link. And another thing, you can view the number of clicks you get, especially, and that is especially useful when using a website like ClickBank, which doesn't really show you the number of hops you get. So with this, you get the number of people who click on the link and are on the website. So how do we create a link? Right here, after we've registered, we click on create new, and then we select link. Now here is where we enter our long link. So like I said, we copy this one, we go back to bit.ly and we just paste the long link. After we've pasted it, we can click on create. And here is where the magic happens, customize back half. So we can write whatever we want, and let's say pro promotion. It is completely up to you what you wanna call your link. So pro promotion, if this is free and nobody else has taken it, it will give us a green light and we can continue. So if we click save, as you can see, pro promotion is now our link, bit.ly/pro promotion. And the destination is our ClickBank hop link. So if we copy it right here and we just paste it to see if it works, it does work, and it is our hop link. As you can see, our name is in the URL. I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Take care.